As soon as it's light enough, Gordon checks his traps. With luck, their footage will reveal what these giants are doing at night.
Right, here we go. Oh, look at this.
The traps have done their job.
Oops, he's having a sniff. He's having a sniff at the tree.
The cameras have recorded over 15 hours of footage. Surprisingly, several different individuals have visited this same spot.
Oh, look, this one's got a baby on its back. You can just see it.
They seem drawn to the tree, where Gordon found mysterious scratch marks.
Oh, wow. That's what it is. Whoa. That anteater's actually off the ground. He's technically climbing.
Giant anteaters are ground dwellers and are not known to climb.
This animal isn't reaching, he's not standing up on his back legs, he's actually climbing the tree. So all these marks way up the tree have been left by that mysterious creature, the giant anteater. The big question is, why is the anteater climbing the tree? I think it may well have something to do with marking a territory, that different anteaters come here and they scratch and they leave a scent behind.
Smell is incredibly important to these giants. The camera trap images suggest that they use scent to communicate and to map each other's movements in the dark.
There's not that much known about giant anteaters, but one thing that is in every publication is that they do not climb trees, and here we have an anteater climbing a tree. Oh, wow. Wow, look at him.
Gordon has done more than just film these animals. He has documented a completely new behaviour. This is the first place it's ever been filmed.